Wash and peel potatoes.
Okay na yan, Lian. Sige na.
So drain it.
Drain the water. Buhos mo ang water.
Top one first.
Ipapil lang kita ng up to, one potato lang, tapos cut na tayo. I-pause lang, ha?
Okay.
Para hindi siya mahaba. Peel na.
Peel.
Kailangan ipakita na gipil mo lahat na. Kini man, no?
Yun, isa lang kailangan.
Kaya mahaba masyado.
I'll just speed it up.
Oh, you're just gonna speed it up?
Yeah.
So, mag-video lang pa rin ako.
Yeah.
Nakadami pa naman ito.
I suggest you just slice one. I peel one.
Kaya nga, peel one lang,
I-cut
kuya.
lang din.
I-cut lang.
Ready na kagad yung mga.
Hindi pwede i-speed up.
Speed it up. It'll take a while.
Wait lang. Patapusin ko lang isang.
Tips.
See?
Yeah.
Okay, now put it in the bowl. Okay, now put away all the peels. Kunin mo isang bowl dyan. Lagay mo dyan lahat ng peels.
Ano yung passcode dito?
Tapos mandolin na. Wait lang,
Passcode,
bebe.
passcode.
Hindi ko alam.
Whose phone is this?
Mine.
What's passcode?
10, 12, 2012.
Oh, mandolin. Oh, you lock the mandolin. What did I teach you? No. Go.
This right?
Yeah. Like that. Okay. Oh. Then get another bowl. Get the other bowl. Kuya, the steel bowl na may strainer. Remove the strainer. Para magsalo yung potatoes.
I put it in there.
No. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah, tama na yan. Careful, ha. Pag may mastak, you just remove them. Hindi. Sa LE niya yan. Gani, pagkakita ko may mandolin, sige. Mas mabuti kay Parpas, bilis. Go. Continue mo lang. Sige pa.
Minutes.
Okay. Sige lang. Tanggalin mo and then add another potato. Hindi kay paros. Kuya,
This one's stop.
go. It's okay. Go lang. Push lang. Ay, baka si... O, sige.
It's enough, right?
Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Okay, get the water. Then refill it. Refill it. Refill mo yung water pala. Sorry. Kaya dapat 4 cups. Okay, stop. Okay, mix it. Dissolve, dissolve. Nadi-dissolve ba? Yeah.
It's still at the bottom.
Sige na. You mix na the potato. Okay na yan.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay na yan. Ma-dissolve lang yan.
Do I remove the...
Oh, remove the strainer there. Very good.
Then I put the...
Yeah, slowly lang. Okay, and then let it rest for 30 minutes.
Just make sure everything is soaked.
Yeah, very good. Okay, cut.
Drain, rinse, and pat the slices completely dry using clean paper towels in order for the chips to be crispy.
Sige pa, you add more, you add more. Sige pa, i-drain mo pa siya. Oh, put them sa other side na ng towel. Okay. You spread it lang.
Ito may ubat ng phone. Did you charge it on?
Mamaya na. Kay Lian man yan. Sige, just spread it lang. Sige pa, spread pa dito sa kabila. I-spread mo na lang dito pa sa kabila. Spread it lang. Go. Spread mo na, spread. Okay na yan, mag-touch sila. Okay. After nyan, magkuha ka lang ng isang paper towel doon sa may rice cooker. Ipat-pat mo lang sila dry. That's fine. Don't pick it up. Kaya makita sa video.
Yeah. And my teacher will ask, why is it? Why is
Sige
it?
na, sige. Kuha ka ng paper towel doon. One lang yan. Yan, nakapatong na. Pat them dry. Sige pa. Sige pa.
Pat them until they're dry. Okay.
Kuha ka pa ng bagong paper towel.
Yeah, puno na yan, basta na masyado.
Ayan. Okay na. Pause ko na ha.
Okay.
Go.
Sige, ma.
Go.
Pour 3 to 4 cups of oil into a deep pan or pot to submerge the chips. Heat the oil to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Put it on the side lang. Okay, turn it on. Okay. There you go. Okay, get the potatoes na.
Handful, right?
Yeah. Oh, get the whole tray na. Get the whole tray. Then just dip it.
All of it? At
No,
once?
no, no. Yung half lang. This part lang. Yan. A handful lang. Slowly.
This is a handful.
Yeah, go. Yan. Not to ano yan. Go. Sige pa. Sige pa. Faster. Mainit ito. Go. Sige pa. Marami pang space. Wait lang. Mag-video muna ako na nag-brown na siya. Okay, scoop now. Ayan lang. Oh, tap pa. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, go. Put it there. Okay, go. Scoop everything na.
There's still any.
Meron pa, meron pa. Okay, careful. Tap, tap, tap. And go, 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 go. Scoop as much as you can. Ayan na doon. Sige pa, go. Scoop na yan lahat. Ayan pa. Silipin mo, lapit ka pa. Makita mo lahat.
Yeah, and so that I
Meron
can
pa,
actually see.
Yeah, yan. Sige pa. Ay, drain. Oh, itap mo
Sorry.
na. Okay. Alright. Go. Okay. Damihan mo. Wala, crispy kayo. Ah. Masarap na good siya kahit walang flavoring.
Yeah.
Hindi ako masyado masarapan sa sour cream nila. Kaya yan lang muna ang lagyan natin ng flavoring. Ah, sige, enough na siguro yan. Yan muna.
Just put all of it. So
Ah, sige, fine. Oh, go.
No.
Ah, sige na. Oh.
I'm just gonna cut that out in the
Yeah.
editing.
Hindi, tuloy-tuloy ito na video. It's like, go. Then 2 tablespoons. Wala, asan yung cover? Okay. Pause. Go. Okay. One lang muna, marami yan. Tama na. Wait, i-close mo na maayos. Hindi ganyan. Ayan. Then shake it. Dito ka. Go, shake. Ikot-ikot mo. Baliktarin mo. Upside down. Okay. Okay. Go, buhos mo na. Then, take a
I'm
bite.
genuinely impressed.
I'm not take a bite because
Hindi pwede?
Oh.
Alright.